Where should I put my money? Play it safe or grow?
For years, people have been told one simple rule: save your money. And saving is important, but there is a problem. Many people spend their entire lives saving without ever building real wealth. Why? Because saving only answers one question: how do I protect my money? Building wealth requires a different question: how can my money grow? Most people believe having money in a bank account means they are becoming wealthy. But keeping money and growing money are two different things. Saving gives you security. It helps during emergencies. It protects you from unexpected problems. But saving alone does not create wealth. Wealth comes from making smart decisions with the money you keep. There is something many people forget. Money changes over time. A certain amount of money today may not buy the same things years from now. This happens because prices increase. So while your money may look safe sitting still, its purchasing power can slowly decrease. This is why understanding money movement matters. Wealthy people do not only think about how much money they have. They think about what their money is doing. They ask, is this money creating more value? Is this money working for me? The difference is not just income. It is mindset. This does not mean saving is bad. Saving is the foundation. A strong financial system needs protection, emergency funds, short-term goals, unexpected situations. Saving creates stability. But after stability comes growth. The journey often looks like this. First, you earn. Then you save. Then you learn. Then you invest. The mistake many people make is stopping after saving. They build the foundation, but never build upward. Investing is not simply putting money somewhere and hoping. It is owning something that has the potential to create value. Investing requires knowledge, patience, research, discipline. The goal is not quick money. The goal is long-term growth. One of the biggest differences in wealth thinking is understanding assets. Assets have the potential to create value. Some things put money into your pocket. Other things constantly take money away. Learning this difference changes how you view financial decisions. One of the most powerful ideas in wealth building is time. Small amounts can become meaningful when they grow consistently over a long period. Growth builds on previous growth. This is why starting early matters. Time can become your greatest advantage. Many people do not fail financially because they lack information. They fail because emotions control decisions. Fear can stop people from starting. Excitement can make people chase unrealistic opportunities. Successful investors learn to make decisions based on knowledge, not emotions. Many beginners believe they need a lot of money before they can invest. But the most important step is building the habit. Small beginnings can create powerful results over time. The goal is not to impress people. The goal is to build consistency. Investing without understanding is dangerous. Before putting money anywhere, learn how markets work, what you own, what risks exist, why the investment makes sense. Knowledge is one of the best protections for your money. Wealth is rarely created through random decisions. It is created through systems. A financial system may include saving automatically, learning consistently, investing regularly, reviewing decisions. Systems remove emotion from the process. Many people make mistakes because they follow trends blindly, chase quick profits, invest because others are doing it, ignore risk. The goal is not to copy everyone. The goal is to understand your own decisions. Building wealth requires patience. Many people want immediate results, but strong financial growth usually comes from repeated smart choices. Successful people think in years, not days. A simple framework: earn money, protect money, learn about money, invest money, grow money. The process is not complicated, but it requires discipline. The biggest change happens when you stop seeing money as something to only spend and start seeing money as a tool that can create opportunities, a tool that can build freedom, a tool that can help you create a better future. Saving is important, but saving alone is not the destination. Money should not only sit, it should have a purpose. The people who build wealth understand one simple idea: your money should work alongside you. Follow Mind and Market for more psychology, business, and success breakdowns.